Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams and hide your read and seen status in chat permanently. This instantly blocks the software tracking engine from showing that small eye icon next to messages you've opened, letting you read incoming direct chats privately without letting others know exactly when you saw their text. First, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the interface header row and click on the three dots, Settings, and More icon sitting directly next to your profile picture. Click on Settings from the Choice drop-down layout to load your main application configuration panel. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Chats tab located near the top of the left sidebar list. Scroll down and locate the specific Setting Switch toggle option explicitly labeled Read Receipts. Click that tracking toggle switch to turn it completely off to freeze the system engine from sending real-time message seen status logs back and forth. Keep in mind that once you turn this off, it works both ways, meaning you also won't be able to see if other people have read the messages you send to them inside direct chats. And that's it! Your private, hidden chat status workspace layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.